Hello guys, welcome back. We're back again with another video. This is Finstock, and today we are starting a new series on photography, and we are going to discuss on key tips that you're going to make sure that you are doing to make sure that you improve your photography career and your photography journey. So this is Finstock. Welcome. Here we give you tips on how you can manage your business, how you can make money online, how you can grow your social media, and even courses that you should take to grow your skill set today. And today's topic is going to be how to take good pictures, because you can't just take a picture and then say you are a photographer. Because if you just give a toddler a camera and tell him or her, press here, that's a picture. But how do you take a good picture, not just taking any picture? And the first thing is understanding composition. So composition is what is entailed in the picture. So how many characters are in the picture? How do you arrange your components in the picture? How many characters do you get to arrange in a certain way? That is what we call composition. For example, you are taking a picture of someone feeding their dog. The composition is supposed to be the dog, the person, and maybe whatever they are feeding them, and that is how you get to understand composition. So the best thing you can do is understand composition, and you're going to make sure that you are framing your pictures right, because composition also include framing. How do you frame your picture? So make sure you understand composition. And the second thing is mastering lighting techniques. For example, you are shooting at maybe 6 p.m. when we have that natural light that is called the golden hour of photography. So you should make sure that you are making full advantage and taking advantage of that natural light. Or you can even be shooting maybe indoors. So you are using lights that are electric. So how do you get to compose and manipulate that, comparing to you using natural light? So you should make sure that you master lighting techniques. Even how you place your lights. How do you get rid of shadows? So you should make sure that you master lighting techniques, and your pictures are going to come out clean. And the next thing is to get familiar with your gear. Because you might be watching videos and maybe doing a course, and then the gear that you used to learn is not the same gear that you're using to shoot. For example, you can learn how to shoot pictures using a Nikon, and then in your career maybe you are using a Canon. So if you are using the same techniques that you are using shooting with a Nikon, and then you are implying the same ones using a Canon, you're going to get confused. So you have to make sure that you do research about the gear you are using, and make sure that you learn everything about that gear, and you're going to have an easier time recording creative pictures. So make sure that you know your gear pretty well, and you're going to have an easy time with taking photos. And the next one is storytelling. You get to create a story within your pictures. So this comes down to how you capture details in that picture. For example, maybe how you capture colors, how you capture emotion. For this, you have to make sure that you're taking pictures consistently to make sure that you are increasing and growing that skill. And the last one is post-processing and editing. So this after you've recorded your picture, of course you'll need to go and make sure that your picture is correct, because at some point you may have overexposed or maybe underexposed your picture. So how do you get to correct that and come out with a better picture? So the best thing you can do is just to make sure that you are maintaining the original picture that you took, but you are adjusting just minor details. And you have to be very specific, because you might have maybe a color that is very good and it's perfect, and then you may have a part that is overexposed. So you have to make sure that you correct those details and adjust them accordingly, so that you don't change the original picture that you had recorded earlier. And that is it, guys. Those are the 5 tips to make sure that you are starting creating quality pictures. Make sure you implement them, and you'll see a difference in your pictures. If you'd like also to take courses like photography and videography, and how to record quality pictures and video and editing, you can consider enrolling for courses at Finstock University College. It's an online college that offers these courses at very affordable rates. So make sure you visit their website, which is www.finstockuniversity.com, or call their customer care number at 0703 313 722. You can also email them at info@finstockuniversity.com, and they'll get back to you. Also, remember to like the video, share, comment, subscribe, and hit notifications so that you get notified every time we upload a new video. And that is it, guys. Until next time, peace.